Paano kaya ako magkakapera? Malamang maraming nagtatanong nito kasi alam mo na tumataas ang mga presyo ng bilihin, gaya nitong escalator. Ano kayang pwedeng gawin para makapag-add value sa ating buhay? Ano bang assistance ang kailangan para magbukas ang windows of opportunities? Makakatulong ang ating mga cellphone if we will use social media for business.
Hello, I'm right here at the LRT station, and it's the Marikina Pasig station. And I'm on my way to the Search social media marketing for business training.
I want to learn how to effectively use social media to grow my business. Kahit dito sa train, maraming gumagamit ng kanilang mga cellphones.
Kano ba ito?
Marami nang gumagamit ng social media, kaya sobrang effective na to kapag gagamitin mo sa business.
Na-meet ko sa LRT si Ma'am Irenea and I asked her if she thinks that social media is effective for business. Sabi niya, siguro naman, wala daw kasi siyang business para masagot ng tiyak yung tanong ko. And I appreciate her answer. Yun lang na-discover ko na hindi pala naka-on yung mic kaya walang audio. Thank you so much, Ma'am Irenea. God bless you.
I'm really very hopeful about this training at Search and using social media for business. Because if you've been following my channel for a while, you'll know that I've been trying to make videos on entrepreneurship and personal growth journey. It's been more of my Christian growth so far, and I'm so excited about this social media for business.
Ang dami kong natutunan about tools to use. Una, to be consistent in creating content and also to be on top of your messaging sa Facebook and Instagram. May pahapyaw din about using ads to increase your reach. It depends on your goals on social media.
Brand awareness. Kung gusto mo ba mag-drive ng traffic sa website mo, or kung gusto mo na mag-drive ng messages, or Day 4, influencer marketing and reputation management, and sa Day 5 naman, social media trends and video marketing. So yeah, ayun nga, again, kung meron kayong kakilala rin na gusto na maging social media manager, or talagang medyo techy sila, gusto nila mag-earn ng extra, so yeah, baka pwede nyo sa kanilang i-refer ko.
Natatapos lang ng social media training, and pabalik na ako sa bahay. Meron silang, they're offering a certain training for an intensive social media training for 5 days on site. And I think I'm interested.
This is not sponsored, pero bala kong i-vlog ang magiging journey ko dito.
Salamat po.
Thank you.
Sa business, ang natutunan ko, the best investment is an investment in learning.
I value the training so much. I've grown through these trainings. Tingin ko ang laki ng ginrow ko nung nag-start ako mag-business. The things that it has done to me, my attitude, my character, is something na parang feeling ko mayaman na.